Hey, Gareth and Janet here today, and today we are in Trondheim, Norway, and we are about to cross the Nidelva River on this pedestrian bridge. So that's the Kirk over there, and there's a couple other cathedrals and the fortress up on the hill there across the river. We're going to crisscross the river several times. The Trondheim spectrum is often through those trees, and there's a convention, an aquaculture convention there. There's thousands of people there and booths set up and several exhibit halls. We went in one without badges. So, didn't she just ride by us on a bike a few minutes ago? Wow, that was weird. Anyway, deja vu all over again. The ocean is just on the other side of these buildings. Boat harbor, the ship is right over there. Of course, you can't see any of that from here. And then Norway is behind us. House with the roof. Yeah. Oh, grass? Yeah. So this is a roaring river. And big too. Of course, everything's wet. It rained again this morning. And of course, this is the middle of summer too, so you know, and it's cold. But I hate to be here in the winter. But I guess they like it. Anyway, we came here on the Sky Princess 14-day Land of the Midnight Sun cruise. But it's not really going to be sunny at midnight. Although sunset is around 11 p.m. when we get up to the North Cape, Honigzwagen, which is in a couple days. So look for the videos. Anyway, we're on the other side. Still here in Trondheim, Norway. This is a directional sign. You can find your way around town. Of course, the cathedral, Nidaros, is right up there. You can see the steeple. Kristiansten Festning, that's the fortress, across the way, across this bridge, as is Bakklandet. So we're going to cross this bridge just like this. The river, it's like the old buildings lining the river. Perhaps the town started here. Lots of people, lots of tourists, lots of Janet. Not to mention bicycles and scooters. Anyway, see out there? Let's go over here so we can get better look. The ocean's right there. Oh, I see the top of the ship maybe. No, probably not. I see Nirvana though. Let's go back out. Next we have to walk up that street. Uphill. Hey! Oh, thank heaven. Yeah, 7-Eleven. In an old building. Cobblestones. It wasn't cobblestone on the other side, I don't believe. But over here, oh yeah, it was like an old village. And cars, so let's get out the road. And scooters. Some of these people don't seem like they have ever ridden scooters, so they seem kind of afraid. Alright, we're in Trondheim, Norway, and this is the fortress, the Kristiansten Festning. As I say, Festning means fortress, I believe. That's what it meant in Oslo. And I guess that's the castle. Lots of buildings. I'm just going to follow this path, and there's a Open Cafe. If you're interested in the cafe.
Yeah.
And that door looks like it's open, so we might be able to go in there. There's the flag of Norway. Yeah, there's some more modern guns, just in case they get attacked from some more modern people in modern times. Not these. Hey, there's our ship. It's a little muddy. Of course, it rains here all the time. It was raining this morning. We go over here. Yeah, see, they keep these covered because I think these can still be used. I mean, I don't know, but they're all covered up. Oh, let's go in here. Oh, this is really muddy. So yes, we hiked all the way up here. And it's not easy. Quite a hike. Boop, 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 boop. And go around behind you. Yeah, I'm recording. Sometimes you're not sure. Sometimes I'm not sure anyway. Let's go look in that building. What do you say? I think we should go in that building. It looks like the door is not very tall. Whack. Free admission. Tower's open every day. Hi. Ooh, fancy uniforms. Just one of those little cannons. Mortars. Cannonballs. Map. Three-dimensional. No hands.
I know I'm gonna get a shot back towards the ship over there.
Ah,
Hello.
look at this floor. That's a trap door.
Never go down this thing.
See the hinges?
Never go down a ladder.
Cannons. But they put windows on the gun ports. Janet, See if you can open the trap door. Oh, it's screwed shut. Never mind. Let's go up one more.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, I'm going up.
Oh, you're going up, okay.
Whoa.
Be careful.
I have a camera in each hand. Look for the 360 video. Oh.
It's a low ceiling.
This is low ceiling. Let's get over here and look out. See the ship? Whoa. Can you see this board? So if you come up here, be careful. Oh, a couple more loose boards. Every board is loose. I'm going back down. Goodbye from Trondheim, Norway. Kristiansten Festning.